Hi guys, so I have just been making a little video all about how to use passion fruit and decided to show you this one as a really quick, make it quick because it's one of my favorite late night drinks. It's a passion fruit mezcal Tommy's Margarita. If that doesn't sound delicious, I don't know what does. So keep watching and mix one for yourself. We're gonna go 50 mils of mezcal, 20 mils of passion fruit, 20 mils of lime, and then just about 5 to 10 mils of agave syrup. Again, because like mezcal is generally quite kind of savory and quite a full-on flavor, it can stand up to a little bit more sweetness. And we're just gonna give that a shake. Delicious. Obviously you can double strain over fresh ice if you'd prefer. And then we'll go a little dehydrated lime we'll garnish since we're being fancy for the channel. But again, this is a bit of a late night speciality in my house, so generally it goes entirely ungarnished. A little bit savory, a little bit sweet, a little bit tropical. I just think this is such a good drink and definitely one to add to your repertoire with your little passion fruit pot. Passion fruit Tommy's. So now you know.